Datura poisoning. Datura poisoning occurs when ingested, smoked and absorbed topically, in particularly through the mucous membranes. The toxicity may vary between the leaves, the plants and from one season to another season. The highest levels of toxins are found in the seeds approximating around 0.1 mg of atropine per seed or 3 to 6 mg per 50 to 100 seeds. The symptoms of Datura poisoning can be remembered as a mnemonic, the D's of Datura. It is hot as a hare, blind as a bat, dry as a bone, red as a beet and mad as a hatter. Here there is a list of 11 D's. 11 D's in the sense different symptoms starting with the letter D. So you can remember as the D's of Datura. What are the D's of Datura? The D's of Datura includes dry hot skin, the temperature rises up to 42 degrees Celsius, a scarlet rash may also be appreciated. Dilatation of pupils along with loss of accommodation. You can see diplopia, dryness of the mouth and throat, unquenchable thirst can be seen, dysphagia, that is difficulty in swallowing, dilatation of cutaneous blood vessels, dysarthria, that is difficulty in talking, drunken gait, delirium, drowsiness, death due to respiratory or cardiac failure. So there are 11 D's here. The D's of Datura is a mnemonic which you can remember for the Datura poisoning. Dry hot skin, dilatation of pupils, diplopia, dryness of the mouth and throat, dysphagia, dilatation of cutaneous blood vessels, dysarthria, drunken gait, delirium, drowsiness and death due to respiratory or cardiac failure. These are the D's of Datura, a mnemonic which you can remember for Datura poisoning.